This is GAMEMAX's N90 chassis. It's currently in the prototype stage, but let's take a look anyway. A curved glass with a 270-degree panoramic view, check. 6 ARGB 120mm cooling fans, 2 at the side, 3 at the bottom, 1 at the rear, check. A removable top panel with a removable magnetic dust guard, check. 2 separate top and bottom compartments with a quick release design, check. Supports GPUs up to 415mm, check. Supports 2 3.5-inch hard drives as well as 2 2.5-inch SSDs, check. A rotating panel for cable management, check. Supports up to a 360mm radiator for all-in-one liquid cooling, check. Support for reverse connection motherboards, check. The GAMEMAX N90 chassis has a unique look and aesthetic owing to its unique design with a top and bottom compartment and a 270 degrees curved tempered glass panel that offers a stunning panoramic view. It offers good compatibility with a wide range of motherboards as well as supporting large graphics cards, and it comes with plenty of cooling options to support both 360 and 240mm radiators. What's more, it also comes with 6 ARGB cooling fans with 5 of them featuring the reverse fan blades, something that you don't see a lot in most cases. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the GAMEMAX N90 chassis, a fantastic looking chassis with a 270 degrees panoramic view and includes 6 ARGB cooling fans. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.